Hello friend, today I am share biggest Fada City crypto project. This project is very strong and it is their official website. It's their official website and you can find more data for this website about this Vada. Vada is an innovative social infrastructure. Vada City is a new era of social networking built on the latest blockchain technology. Here, everyone can meet their true friends and have product about share green digital city in Vada City. Every social connection is like planting a tree together, building a greener, most sustainable Web3 world. You can know about more information for their website. PCI Consents, the core of Vada City. Security identity, it's their official product and media. You can join their Telegram group and you can join their Discord. It's their white paper, Vada City white paper. Their mission, Vada City, is all about creating the cool digital city online, and their token name Vada. In future, Vada gonna have a branch uses. Additionally, those who can bring more friends to our platform will earn even more reward. Vada City, it's their official app and you can earn mining and it's their product. You can earn Vada daily and earn Bitcoin. Team, you can invite friend and earn more. You can there have energy seed and energy box and can be processed to more earn profile. You can create an account and follow more informations like citizens and ambassadors, etc.